Everyone, hey, it's Diane. It's been a while since I did a garden video, but today I'm just going to take you around my home and show you what I put away for the winter out of my garden, and also some fresh stuff I have in the house yet. Plus, I'm going to show you my garden right now in the fall, and you can kind of see what it looks like. And I didn't get a lot done, as far as videos this year, but I'm working on some other things, and it just kind of gets harder every year. But I do still garden, and I still love it. So let's get started, and I'll show you around. All right, there's my garden. I did do some cleaning up this year, but for the most part, I leave a lot of stuff for the protection of the animals, and I kind of leave things in the ground so the cats aren't digging in the dirt. It also helps, but that's my fall looking dead garden because we have had cold nights, cold days here in the Midwest, and I just wanted to show you I still garden quite a bit. It is getting to be a little tougher because I'm going to be having another birthday this December, but I still enjoy it so much. So let's get started. I'll show you all the things I put away. All right, I'm in my freezer. I did some spaghetti squash here. Not sure how that's going to be frozen. That's the first time. Carrots, peppers, sweet peppers, banana peppers. I put those away. And I put some pickled sweet banana peppers that are very, very delicious. If you haven't done those, ask me for the recipe and I'll get it for you. And then we have our apples here. We did a lot of apples this year. I will show you the applesauce here in a minute, but these are the Liberty apples, and I still have some in the cold keeper here in my fridge because they tend to get soft. Here's my spaghetti squash. I actually had a lot more than this, but I have been cooking them up, and God, these are good keepers. I really, really love them. And we got onions. My onions didn't do all that great this year, but I still got onions, and that's all that counts. So these are ones that keep pretty well. Can't remember the names, sorry. But, these are the hamburger ones. Awesome. And then we have some potatoes. I didn't put a lot in this year, and we have used some already. So they did okay for the amount I put in. And these are the Kennebec potatoes. Love them. We got a cherry tree on one of the farms that we farm on, and I did freeze some of these. These look very good. They'll be really good in smoothies. It's pretty dark in my basement here, but there's my applesauce. I made quite a few this year, and I just love that from our organic apples. We don't do any spraying on the trees. They didn't have a lot of worm problems this year, and this is so nice in the wintertime. So as you can tell, I love to freeze things. The potatoes and the spaghetti squash will keep for a little bit, and the onions pretty good here in the home. I'll keep them in a cool spot, probably down in my basement. And I just wanted you guys to know that I'm still gardening, and I still love it. We're also still getting some eggs from our Rhode Island Reds, but since the days are short now and it gets dark around 5-ish, we're only getting 3 to 5 eggs, if we're lucky, out of 12 chickens. We got some that are molten right now, and they just aren't laying, with the short days and stuff. So that's okay. We'll get by. So what did you think? What did you all put away this year? I kind of like to hear from it. Just jot it down in the description area. I'd love to hear from you. And if you would like to support my channel and keep my gardening content going, go visit my garden blog at picketfriendsgreenhouse.info. That used to be my business blog when I had the greenhouse, but I still continue to put content on there, and I still love to share my gardening experiences. So in the description below, there'll be some websites that you can find me at. You can also find me on Facebook. I'd appreciate if you come over and like my page. The more people I can get over there, the better. So thanks so much for watching today, and again, jot down in the comment area what you have grown and harvested this year that done well for you. I'd love to hear about it. So take care, and we'll see you on the next video.